Hello Dave, just thought I'd show you the seats released. Don't know if you can see them, Dave. That's the yellow catches. Got one that end and one the other end. Underneath this bit of cowling, which is inside the rear of the boot. I've already started to cut. You're going to see where I'm cutting away the excess carpet that you no longer need. Just using a regular knife. Just cut along the edge of the bulk. Gives you a good enough line to follow through. This is all the excess carpet you don't need. Because the back of the seats are already covered as they normally would be. I don't know why Jag did this. That's basically it. And that's the SS carpet cutaway. Use that for what you will. And there you go. That bit of green line twine you can see hanging down is what I've used temporarily to act as a release catch until I can rig up a proper setup. Probably using some brake cable. As you can see, you pull through it, releases quite easily. So there you go. And just to show you the back of the seats, are fully covered and lined. The only thing you're left with on these are the let's get in right proportion are the open catches. I'm sure you'll be able to find some colours for those. And that's what it looks like now. And that spare bit of carpet all cut away, nice and clean. As I said, it's just a temporary measure until I get proper cables fitted. Probably try and get them from my breakers. But there you go, clean, simple. And the seats shut. Just to check and just to verify, you can hear the catches going. That's the catches released. Let's go around the other side. One seat. Two seats. There you go. All done.